Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about Ciphey, which is a fully automated decryption decoding tool. To install Ciphey, we can use command python 3 -n pip install Ciphey. And if you have already on your system and you want to upgrade, you can use dash upgrade and just hit enter. I have already installed it on my system, so I'm just going to skip this one. If this command don't work for you, you can use these two. You can type pip 3 install with dash uppercase U, then pip and hit enter. After this, you are going to use pip 3 python 3 -m pip install python 3 -n pip install dash uppercase U and Ciphey and hit enter. This will install Ciphey. I will just clear the terminal, and I need encrypted text which I can pass into Ciphey to get the decrypted text back. So I'm going to use an online tool. I'm going to use a base64 encryption. So I search for base64 encoder on Google. So you can find different sites and use those one if you want. I'm going to just use this one, and I already added a text over here, the plain text hello, and this tool will give us encrypted text by using base64 encoding. And here is the encrypted text. When you enter the plain text over here, such as, I will type it again so you can see. I will use test and scroll down a bit and click on encode. Now I have this encrypted or encoded string that I will copy the whole text and pass to our Ciphey. It's going to copy. To run Ciphey, we can use Ciphey with the -t option, and inside double quote, I'm going to paste the encrypted text and just hit enter. And it printed our base64 encryption that we use to encrypt our plain text, and it also uh, print us the decrypted text, which was test. So this is a very useful and easy to use tool. You can also pass in a whole file of encrypted text instead of just one. You can pass in a whole text by using this command Ciphey, just a dash, and then your file dot txt, and just hit enter.